friends, welcome back to the channel and another installment of 12 Days to Christmas. So today we're going to be talking about my mantle. This is a once over of it decorated, and we're going to go ahead and get in there and show you everything. So I thought about putting a wreath up on the mirror, some type of wreath, but I haven't done it yet. I decided to go for a garland-less mantle, which means I don't want garland on it at all. I wanted to do something different this year. So I just put some greenery on the side with some bells in this pretty bow and my 2 stockings. And then we have some Christmas trees up here, a candle, and then I made these little glass house boxes. So I put 2 candles in there, some real Christmas greenery, like Christmas tree greenery that I bought, and then a few of the ornaments. Then we have an ornament here, some more greenery, and then my gold word in it spells joy. We have 2 ornaments on the side of that. Then we have another little glass house with the candles and the greenery. And then we have our wood block up there and our tall, really tall reindeer. I don't know if you can tell how tall this is, but my sister and my family came down for Thanksgiving, and my niece and my sister said my reindeer has on stilettos. So yeah, it's really tall. So then I have a huge sleigh. And if you notice from the Christmas tree, I took one of those pine cones and just hung it on there. And then we have the large bells that are very popular right now on the other side. Then in the fireplace, we have a few candles, battery operated candles, and then our wood log. And we have a sleigh over here with a Christmas tree farm fresh bag. I just love this. I thought about getting like 2 or 3 of them to stack them because I thought that was just so cute. So yeah, that is my mantle. Let me get out here again so you guys can see the full effect. And like I said, I was going for a mantle that didn't really have any greenery on it. Well, greenery, but not garland. So there's that. So let me get back in there. So there's my mantle styling. Let me know what you guys think of the garlandless mantle, because I went back and forth with it and I ultimately decided let's do a little things a little different this year. So that is what I came up with. So thank you guys for watching. See you